everybody, it's Tech Tip Tuesday here at the Lexus Virtual Classroom, and it's daylight saving time again. My name's Melissa O'Connell. I'm your Lexus Technology Specialist, and today I have some super quick tips for you about your Lexus Interface Clock and how to adjust it for daylight saving time if it doesn't adjust automatically for you. Let's take a look. Whether you have a 9.8-inch screen or a 14-inch screen, it's so simple to get to your clock settings. Just touch the clock. When you have a Lexus Interface driver profile connected to the vehicle with an active Drive Connect subscription, when you click on the clock to open the clock settings, you'll see right at the top, set date and time by GPS. If we toggle that on, then the system does everything for you automatically. Without the GPS connection through the Drive Connect subscription, we just need to make the selection ourselves. We can toggle daylight saving time on or off, depending on the time of year. Daylight saving time starts in the spring and ends in the fall. Make sure that you have daylight saving turned on for the spring and summer months and off for fall and winter. Scrolling down, you could choose to set the time automatically based on the time zone and your daylight saving time selection, or set the time manually if you would like to adjust your clock just a little ahead if maybe you need a few more minutes. If you'd like to learn more about the additional settings on the Lexus Interface Clock, make sure to check out our more in-depth clock settings tutorial. You can watch that video next or find the link in the description below this video. Thanks again for visiting us at the Lexus Virtual Classroom here at Westside and Northside Lexus in Houston, Texas. And we'll see you next time.